If you're hoping AI will magically make you rich, it probably won't. But if you use it the right way, it can help regular people make extra money faster, cheaper, and with less stress. And I'm not talking about becoming a programmer. I'm talking about ordinary people using AI to earn a little more, save a lot of time, or start something small on the side. So here are a few realistic ways people can actually make money with AI. First, AI can help you sell a service. A lot of people get stuck because they think they need some rare skill before they can offer anything. But AI can help you write social media posts, emails, product descriptions, blog drafts, listings, flyers, and simple marketing materials. That means if you already know a little about a business, a hobby, or your local market, you may be able to offer a basic service to small businesses. Small businesses that simply do not want to do this work themselves. You are not selling AI. You are selling a result: more posts, better listings, faster emails, cleaner marketing. Second, AI can help you become dramatically faster at freelance work. If you write, research, organize, summarize, edit, design simple concepts, or help with admin work, AI can cut the time it takes to do those jobs. That matters because speed changes the math. If something used to take 4 hours and now takes 90 minutes, the work becomes more profitable. The mistake is thinking AI replaces the person. Usually, it makes the capable person faster, and the person who becomes faster has a real advantage. Third, AI can help you create digital products. That could be simple guides, planners, worksheets, checklists, templates, mini courses, or niche information products. The value is not that AI creates something instantly. The value is that it helps you brainstorm, outline, draft, rewrite, and polish faster than doing it all alone. You still need judgment, you still need taste, you still need to make something useful. But AI can help you get from idea to finished product much faster. Fourth, AI can help people support an existing business. If you run a small business, or even a one-person operation, AI can help with customer replies, content ideas, scripts, proposals, planning, and repetitive writing. And sometimes the money is not in earning more. Sometimes the money is in saving time. Sometimes the money is in saving time, reducing costs, and avoiding hiring too early. That still counts. Because saving 5 or 10 hours a week has real value. Now here's the part people need to hear. Most people will not make money with AI just because they open the app. They make money when they combine AI with something useful. A skill, a market, a problem, a customer, a need. AI by itself is not the business, it is the tool. The better question is not, how do I make money with AI? The better question is, what do people already need help with? And how can AI help me do that faster or better? That is where the real opportunity is. So if I were starting from scratch, I would do this. Pick one small, specific problem that ordinary people face every day. Next, pick one specific type of person who has that problem. Use AI to help create a simple, useful solution. And do it consistently enough to learn what people actually want, because that's where side income starts. Not with hype, with usefulness.